This is 10-2 Study Guide, page 1, exercise number 3. Again, a parabola. This time x comes first, so we know that it opens either to the left or to the right. Since the a value is positive, it's to the right. So the opening is to the right. And when we draw it, we'll know that it opens to the right. The next thing to do is to find the, well, in this case, the y coordinate of the vertex by using the formula negative b over 2a. In this case, b is already negative, so a negative 8 would be positive. So 8 over 2 times a, well, a is 1, so it's just 8 over 2, and 8 over 2 is 4. In this case, that's actually the y coordinate because y is the variable we're dealing with. Now to find the x coordinate, you plug in this 4 into the equation for y. So we'll have 4 squared minus 8 times 4, and then what is that, a plus 6. Okay, so 4 squared would be 16. 8 times 4 is 32, so that's a negative 32. Positive 16 minus 32 is a negative 16. And a negative 16 plus 10, I'm sorry, a negative 16 plus 6 gives us a negative 10. Again, because this is a y, the variable we're dealing with, this 4 is actually the y variable, and this negative 10 is actually the x variable. So the vertex here is actually negative 10, comma 4. And then it's opening to the right. So we need to give lots of space to the right to work with our little sketch here. So x value, I'm sorry, the x value is 10, negative 10. The y value is 4. I didn't really give myself a lot of room to work with apparently. So negative 10 to the left, 4 up. That's my point of opening. So it's going to open to the right. Okay, and we know that our focus is on the inside, and the directrix is going to be over here the other way. Okay, so there's my vertex, here's my focus, that's my directrix. In order to find the focus distance, I use that formula 1 over 4a. A is 1 for this one, so that's just going to be 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 to the right will give me the focus, 1 over 4 to the left will give me the directrix. That'll be a lot easier to find. Since it's a vertical line, it's going to be an x equals. It's where it crosses the x-axis. So x equals, this was negative 10 and 1/4 more. So in this case, the directrix is x equals negative 10 and 1/4 more. The focus, the y value of the focus hasn't changed. I didn't move up or down at all. So the y value is still a 4, but the x value here is 1/4 to the right of 10. So we didn't go all the way to 10, we went to 9 3/4 in the negative direction. And that's going to actually be the x coordinate of the focus. So the x coordinate is negative 9 3/4. The y coordinate didn't change, it's still 4 up. And the axis of symmetry for this one is going to be the line that goes through the focus and directrix like this way. So that's a y value. It's crossing the y-axis at 4. So our axis of symmetry is y equals 4.